Renovating a wall can feel overwhelming. The thought of messy construction, high costs, and endless maintenance often stops people before they even start. But there's a much easier solution. Pew panels from Tile Merchant. These panels are made from high-density polyurethane and replicate natural stone with astonishing realism, from texture to color and shading. They look and feel just like real stone, giving your walls that authentic, premium touch without the hassle. The differences between pew panels and natural stone go far beyond price. They are lighter, easier to install, water-resistant, and fire-resistant, making them perfect for both indoor and semi-outdoor spaces. Unlike real stone, which can stain, develop mold, require sealing, and be extremely heavy to work with, pew panels are designed for convenience, durability, and long-lasting beauty. Pew panels also provide additional wall insulation, keeping your home warmer and more comfortable, while even helping to reduce heating costs. Cleaning is simple. Just a quick wipe with a damp cloth keeps them looking fresh and new. Tile Merchant offers two amazing styles: rock surface, which captures the rugged, natural beauty of quarried stone, and ribbed with long, elegant lines for a modern, contemporary look. Whether in the kitchen, living room, bedroom, hallways, or even on facades and bathrooms outside the shower area, pew panels can completely transform any space. The best part? No one will ever know it isn't real stone. These panels are so realistic, so carefully crafted, that they look as if they were carved straight from nature, but without the weight, maintenance, or high cost of actual stone. If you want to explore all the styles, installation tips, and inspirational ideas, check out the Tile Merchant blog. It's a complete guide to help you bring your dream walls to life. With pew panels, transforming your home has never been easier, smarter, or more beautiful.